Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be back with another video showcasing some new goodies from Alex Syberia Design. So this video is a part of a video hop to celebrate the new release, and every comment that you leave during this hop will count as an entrance for the giveaway. And Alex Syberia is giving away 4 gift cards. I think it was $15 for each. So go ahead and hop along, and I hope you will enjoy this video hop. I know there has been a blog hop previously. I wasn't attending that one, and there is also an Instagram hop coming soon, so you have even more chances to win prizes during this party week, or whatever we're gonna call it. So I went ahead and cut the Clementes die. I don't know if I pronounced that right, and you can see it has this large background die, and you can also see that I paper pieced together the flowers for this. So I'm just giving the leaves a little bit of a shading with my inks, and I will do the same thing for all of the, could you call it sprigs? The little flower leaves. You can get an idea of these will be sort of flower buds, maybe it's a better word for it. And you can see that is really cute, and yeah, I'm just picking a slightly darker color than I used for the paper. And when I had everything done, of course I needed some dimensions, so I cut some foam squares into smaller strips, and then I just went ahead and attached it to the back of my flowers. And in this way it will give it some dimension as well. And you can see that I have a couple of different colors that I cut and layered these flowers. So we have this peachy orange, and we have the pink and the purple. I didn't end up using the purple, even though I really liked it, so I will keep these two colors, but you can definitely go ahead and create more, or just have them all in the same color family. And for the flower buds, I went ahead and just attached them with some liquid glue across my panel. And Alex Syberia has been coming out with a couple of more of these background dies that you can layer, and they are always really fun, so go ahead and check those out if you like this die set. You will probably love them as well. Most recently there was a beautiful poinsettia one that I was in love with as well. So for the background, I cut into a cream colored cardstock, and I just pressed and dry embossed, which is a technique that I really like to do, the Delicate Frame and Friends die set. And you can see I just used my rubber mat and then pressed it in the die into the cardstock. I cut another of this background piece just to give it some more stability, and also to give it a little bit more dimension. And then I can attach it to my beautiful dry embossed background. I mounted this onto a standard A2 size card front. I had not cut my panel to the perfect size, so I just went ahead and cut away the white exit that was showing. And now I can attach this to the background. So beautiful. This really came together so effortless. I really love products like that you don't have to think too hard to get a beautiful result. For the sentiment, I used a new die set. This is called Hello and Hugs, and I love that every letter comes connected. So it was so easy to just layer those up a couple of times and get some dimension, and then I could just glue it to the background without having to sort of use a ruler or something to get it perfectly straight with all of the letters. It just came together so nicely. For the flower centers, I used some stickles. And I probably should have filmed the end results, but I didn't. So I just realized that when I went to put this video together. But I will have still pictures of how it looks when this stickles was dried in the middle. I think it was just a fun touch to add to the flower centers. So that pretty much finished our card off. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something, and also of course to hop along and check out the rest of the designers for this video hop. I will have links down below for them, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!